iPod, tempat di mana kita bisa belajar bahasa Inggris dengan ramai, asik, dan
menyenangkan. So guys, today we will talk about 5 phrases atau 5 frasa
yang biasa digunakan atau supaya kamu bisa terdengar seperti native speaker. Oke, let's go.
Oke, untuk contoh pertama ada kata tidak apa-apa.
Okay, in English is no problem. Is it true, Tika?
Yes, this true. But usually native speakers use no worries.
Can you give me example?
Okay, this is for the example.
No worries.
Sure, no worries.
I ain't got no worries, man.
Hey, look, if we get in and out quick, won't be no worries.
No worries.
Oke, untuk contoh kedua di sini ada aku setuju atau aku ikut.
Okay, in English is I agree. This is true, Tika?
Yes, that's true. But native speakers say I'm down for it.
Can you give me example?
Of course, this is for the example.
Wanna go to the movies tonight? Yeah, I'm down.
Oke, untuk contoh ketiga atau phrase ketiga di sini ada kata kamu keren banget.
Okay, in English is you are so cool. Is it true, Tika?
Yes, that's true. But native speakers say you nailed it.
Can you give me example?
Of course, this is for the example.
You nailed it!
You nailed it, Ben. Congrats.
You nailed it.
Fabulous! You nailed it, Bob.
No, you nailed it. Fair.
Oke, contoh keempat ada phrases yaitu aku yang bayar.
In English is let me pay. Is it true, Tika?
Yes, that's true. But native speakers say that's on me.
Okay. Can you give me example?
Of course, this is for the examples.
Don't worry about lunch. It's on me.
What, man? It's on me, man. We party on. Let's go.
Anything you want, it's on me. Okay?
Yeah, baby. What's up? It's on me. Hell no, nigga.
Get cowboy guy a beer. It's on me tonight.
For the last phrases atau frase terakhir ada aku setuju.
Okay. In English is I'm down for it. It is true, Tika?
Yes, is it true? But they have different way to say.
What? Different? I think is it same like before?
Yes, it sounds, but they say sounds good.
Okay.
So this is for the example.
Sounds good to me, Sarge.
Sounds good to me. Sounds good to me.
Sounds good to me. Well, I will see you then. Sounds good to me. Well, I will see you then.
That sounds good to me. That sounds good to me.
Okay guys, thank you for today. Don't forget to try using this process in your daily English.
So you don't just speak English, but you sound like the. This is iPod.
And we'll see you in the next episode.
Don't forget to like, bro.
Come on and